How to change your battery in any off-road machine. First, locate where the battery is. Take certain components off in order to get to the battery, such as the hood right here. Then, disconnect the positive and ground wires. Put the bolt and nut right where the connectors are, just like this, just so you do not lose them. Now it's time to pull the old battery out. Out with the old, in with the new. Now it's time to take the caps out just like this. Now it's time to hook up the cables. Always look out for the plus and minus sign. The minus stands for the ground wire, and the plus stands for the positive. Before you put everything else back together, it's always important to go ahead and remind yourself to make sure that the battery that you are putting in is not faulty, is to always turn on your ignition and see if the car starts up, or if the dash shows power. You can see when we turn the key in the ignition, you can see that the light lights up. Now let's see if the thing actually runs now. And right there, you got yourself a good battery.